Hi everyone, it is time for another coloring book page. Let me zoom in. This one's called Squash Flower. It's a mandala-like page. I'm only going to draw to this point. I'll let you guys decide if you want to add all of this embellishment here. But I'm only going to draw to this point, okay? So, first thing we're going to do is, they've got it on a Rangoli grid. I find it easier to just go ahead and draw out a mandala type grid with straight lines. You could just put the dots if that's easier for you. I find it just as easy to go ahead and just do the whole grid. From the center, we're going to do these squiggly lines. We're going to go one way, the second way, the third way. Right where these cross is where we changed direction with these arms. Okay. Then we are going to go from this dot or this crossing to this crossing. I'm going to go this little right here. Okay. And then from the outer one to about halfway this way. Going like that. That's all there is. It's basically 3 steps. So we're going to go ahead and do it in pencil first and then do it in pen, because that's the way I like to roll when I'm making the coloring book page. If I was just making regular artwork, probably wouldn't do that. But I want to make sure that I've got the right angles on these. So I want to start these by going out and then in and then out. Right? One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 squiggles. Like that. Like that. Okay. Yeah, I almost feel like making these arms a little bit bigger for the ones that go in the corner. I think that would make it more interesting. Let me do that. I'm going to make these 4 lines a little bit longer. Not that one. This one. And this one. Go about there. Like that. Something like that. I think that would be good. I should measure one of those and put them all the same distance. Oop. My center point moved. Oh, I was pretty darn close. Look at that. I was pretty close anyways. Good enough. Okay, and then This goes from here to here, right? Okay. And then there's one that goes here. Like this. I missed a step. It was off my screen when I showed it to you guys. There's that step. Then there's this step. Okay. Alrighty, let's do it. Big pen. We're going to start with the arms. Nice S shape. A nice curvy shape. Just like that. Just like that. That's step one. Then step two is this one. Going this way. Like that. And then there's one going this way. I feel like I've done this one before on my channel, but not for a really long time. Like that. And then this way. All right. That looks awesome. Absolutely. That is perfect. Look at that fun pattern. That will be so fun to color or to add extra texture to. Oh, it's so hard to stop and not play. It really is hard to stop and not play. But on the back, this one's squash flower. That's Quash. Coloring book numbers 26. And this is for June 29th, 2026. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. All right, I am super happy with that one. That one came out great. I am so excited. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on the next video, which will be July 1st. And July is going to be a very exciting month for us. I've been teasing that, but July is going to be a very exciting month for us. And we're going to do some special things. And I will let you know in a couple of days. All right, you have a blessed day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.